Subscribe to Bigjohntv.
Everyone's got blick, show me your man, we can throw them fists. Come then. Bro, here, chef sardine in the Rex, ain't talking about fish. Big cuz he got back front M, I ain't seen him since 06. Move from me with that mad energy, round we stay 100 like Kiss. She can be white, brown or black, but that girl, she a chick. Nose on fleek, white is tips.
Yo, bro,
Yo,
are you a pedophile?
no I'm not.
I was just asking.
Why does it say you're 23 and you sound 12?
I'm not even, bro. Be quiet, kid.
So
Like,
are you
bro,
allowed,
teach me some new language then.
are you allowed on this website? Have your parents allowed you to do
Yes,
this?
yes.
I don't believe you. Do you go to school?
I don't know, kid.
What do you mean you don't know? Are you doing good in school?
I didn't say I didn't fucking know, dumbass. I said I don't go to school.
Nigga, who's a dumbass?
Your mom.
Oh, suck your mum, you pussy. Oh, fuck you up,
You
you little
pussy.
cock. Suck your mum, you dickhead. Like a pussy.
Do it again.
Suck
Do
your
it again,
mum.
you won't.
Oh, give me 12-year-olds, man. Shit. You scary, bro. You're scary. Hello. Ooh. Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes.
English or hindi, English or Tagalog.
English. Where you not from? Philippines.
What?
Oh, how'd you know, bro? How'd you know, bro? You're a fucking hacker, bro.
Salamat.
For what? What? Okay,
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah.
I mean, I have a statement for you.
You have a statement for me.
For
Wait there, before you make your statement, I love all Filipinos, so mind out what you say to me. Yeah?
You're a brother, man. You're a brother, man. Dap me up.
I'm a brother. What does that mean?
You're a brother, man. You're my brother, man.
Oh, okay.
Because
I'm
you
a
love
brother.
Philippines.
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
yeah,
tanong
yeah.
mo na. Ay, sa'yo muna.
If okay, we have a question for you though.
Okay, go on.
If your brother, mother.
If your mother is in front of you and your brother behind you, will you go forward or backward?
I'm gonna go forward, give my mom a hug. I'm gonna go backwards. My brother's gonna pick me up.
Oh no!
So you will be the fucker and not the fucky.
Oh, what you're talking about? Sex?
Yes.
No.
You're going to fuck your mom, bro. What the fuck?
No.
Nah, bro. What you mean
No.
hugging? Nah, you said you
tricked
gotta
me.
fucking.
All you said was that
No.
my mom's in front of me. You never said nothing
You
about.
said you're gonna hug your mom, then you're gonna fuck your mom. I heard that clearly,
No,
bro.
you tricked me. You tricked me.
Like
Hey!
I'm sorry.
Okay.
That's kind of weird though. Like, why would you
Salamat,
fuck your
salamat.
man?
Okay. English or Tagalog?
Tagalog.
Oh,
Unang gumalaw, bading.
Nagugutom ako.
Oh, you're gay.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
gay.
Yeah.
So you're gay.
Oh my god,
Huh?
bro.
that means I'm gay.
Translate it to English.
Well, nagugutom ako.
Yes, that
Yes,
means you're gay, bro.
it's-
No,
means you're
that means
gay,
I'm
bro.
hungry.
No.
no.
Who taught you that, bro?
No,
Don't
what they lied
translate-
to me.
No,
Oh no, you've been saying that consistently,
No,
bro.
you are
For
lying.
sure.
You're lying. You're lying.
No,
You're lying.
hey, look it up right now. Google search.
No, don't lie to me. Don't lie. How do you spell it? Write it down here. Write it down how you spell it. I've been going around to Filipino people telling them I'm gay. I'm not gay.
Like that, bro. It
Oh,
means
I
you're
need
gay, bro.
I need to Google this now. No, Tom
Ako.
Ako.
Means I'm gay as fuck, bro.
That means I'm hungry, you dickhead. You tricks me.
Okay. I'm gonna teach you another word, though. I'm gonna
Yeah, go
teach you
on,
another word.
Teach me another one. I need to know.
This means that you're a gangster. You're a player. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You say, bading ako.
But I like you guys as well. Don't fuck with me.
Hey, I'm not foul with you, bro.
Bading ako.
We're fucking budding here, bro.
Oh,
You
yeah,
know what I'm
write it
saying?
down. Write it for me. Write it for me. Write it for me. You don't want to write it for me, do you? Don't fuck with me.
I ain't fucking with
Serious.
you.
Serious. Don't fuck with me. Bro, serious. Shut up. Hold on. Let me type this in now.
Just like that. But, hey.
Bro,
I-
it's a slang. It
yeah,
doesn't have a translation.
Yeah. It could go wrong because it's a slang. You know what I'm saying? It's not official.
It's like a local dialect
Yeah,
rather than
yeah,
a
yeah.
Oh,
formal
yes. It's a
language.
dialect. 'Cause It's
Exactly.
not coming up.
Yes, it's a slang. It's a slang.
Because it's a slang, bro. It's not
Okay.
official. It's not in the dictionary. It's
So
not on
what?
the
So
web.
when I go to my
It's a slang.
Filipino friends, I'm gonna say what? Bading ako.
Yes. It's like I'm a player, man. I'm a gangster, man. I'm saying I'll be up on these streets and I'm a player. You know what I'm saying?
You lot are
Budding
fucking with me.
ako.
You lot are
I
fucking with
ain't
me.
fucking with you, bro. I ain't
Yeah,
fucking
it
with you,
goes
bro.
like
with
this.
me.
Bading ako.
Bading
Bading
ako.
ako.
Bading ako.
It's like I'm
Okay.
the realest budding in the Philippines, man.
Okay.
I can sing.
Bading ako?
Yay!
Damn.
Yeah.
We are bading.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
are bading.
Hey.
We are
Listen.
bading.
Yo. Bading ako.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
guys, listen. It was a pleasure, man. I'm
Yes.
gonna add you lot as a friend. Peace out, man.
Oh, for
Hey,
sure,
again.
for sure.
For sure. All right, wait there. Before I go, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me type it in now.
Sorry. For sure, man. We're gonna subscribe, man. Hey, make sure to remember the word that I taught you, yeah?
Bading ako. Don't worry, I got it written down,
Yes,
man. I'm
sir.
gonna be the
Yes,
coolest
sir.
guy
Yes, sir.
now in the Filipino party. You get me? Bigjohntv 39. Subscribe to my YouTube
Okay,
channel, man.
Okay,
All
sir.
my social medias are on that, so make sure you follow them as well.
For sure, man.
For sure,
Hey, it's a
man.
pleasure. It's a pleasure,
All right.
man.
Hey,
Salamat, man.
pleasure, bro.
Salamat.
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 It's
Peace.
a really
Bading ako. Hello.
Before you go,
Hmm.
you just lost the game.
What game was that?
You don't know the game?
No.
The game is something you do not think about. That is the game. If someone reminds you, then you lose.
Oh, bruv, I'm looking at life in a whole different way now. The game is something you do not think about.
But since I just reminded you
Wait. You just lost the next game.
something about landscape. I can't hear very well. Let me turn this down. I'm also half deaf, so if you could speak up a little bit.
Sorry. No
Don't
problem.
worry. Thank you.
You just lost the game.
Why would you do that?
I'm speaking up because you're half deaf.
Yes, and
I'm letting you know. You just lost the game.
have you ever heard the game before I told you you lost? No.
No, sorry. No, I've just heard about the game now.
Okay. Yeah, it was a big thing in 2008,
2008, yeah.
and
Yeah.
it was just recently popularized for a small time
Okay.
back in February and March.
March, yeah. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah,
Why is your US flag upside down?
because an upside down flag, per the flag code, represents a nation in distress. And as well as you and I know, America is in trouble at the moment.
Whoa! You need to help them. And I know how you can help them. By winning the game. by winning the game. Peace be with you. God bless America. Shit, boy.
Yo, what's up?
What up? Alright, how you doing that to your Air Forces?
Yeah, bro. Bro, you crease.
Oh my gosh. That is no respect. Yuck. Oh my gosh. That's
I love you,
devastating.
bro. Oh, for
That's
real.
devastating. Yuck. Hey!
My time and give a price
The
to
belay.
about what I have a penis. My fans don't care. I'm on the slide.
Come in. I'm scared.
Subscribe to Bigjohntv.